to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we have a hair video of a wash and go. I'm going to go ahead and get right into the products. We have a strengthening and restore treatment mask. Works really well. We have an intensive hydration shampoo. Gives really great hydration. This is the leave-in conditioner. Love it by Mielle. Love that. We have the extreme styling gel. This stuff right here, 10 out of 10, recommend. All right, guys, so this next product, I really can't pronounce the name, but it's a really great styling mousse. I also have an oil that I go in with and seal all the moisture in. I start off with a Demon brush. You need that to, comb out all those naps, honey. So what I'm going to do is start off with pulling all my long hair up into a ponytail and get all the short hairs out of the way, because those are the hairs that I want to work with first, since those do take me a little longer to, saturate and moisturize. Then I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my hair that I have out, just to go ahead and give myself some moisture in the back, honey, because y'all see how I'm looking. Real dry, dusty like. Now I'm going in with this spray bottle that I got from Walmart. It was about $10. It sprays really good. It's not one of those little dusty spray bottles, honey. It really gets in there and get your hair wet like you want it to be. Alright, so now I'm going to take like a wide tooth comb and go in on the side of my hair that I want to start off with first and just detangle. Going in with the styling gel now. And honey, don't be scared of it, because your girl ain't scared of it. I need all the styling gel I can get. Alright, so right here, guys, is very important. Mousse, and more mousse. Stop being scared of mousse. Stop being scared of the product, honey. I am a good 4C natural. You can't be scared of no products around here. Alright, so now I'm going to take that Demon brush and I'm going to work upwards. Like how you would with a flat iron. Like kind of curl the ends a little bit. Okay, so now that I have a little time to, talk to y'all a little bit. As I'm looking at this video and doing the voiceover, y'all, I realized, like, I really didn't really go in with enough products, because at the end, like, my ends was curly, but my roots, I gotta figure out a way to get those, more curlier than I did. I'm just gonna speed this little process up for you guys, and when we get closer to the front, you'll see what I mean by getting the roots a little bit more curlier than it was. Alright, so right here, I didn't show y'all earlier, but I do go in with that oil after the styling gel and the mousse, just to seal all, like, whatever I've put on there, like the moisture or whatever I have placed on my hair. I do that with all my styles, whether it's a twist out, wash and go, braid out, however I do my hair. Even if I'm just braiding my hair all the way to the back for a protective style, I always go in with the oil. All right, now that we're closer to the front, you're gonna see those curls really pop up here. So just work your magic, and again, you're going to go in a motion as if you are curling your hair or trying to bump your ends. And here, y'all, you're just gonna start the routine over and over again. Water, styling gel, mousse, oil, detangle, and then bump your ends, boo-boo. Your girl was hype. Your girl was hype. I ain't never seen my curls just work they magic like that with the wash and go. This new technique I've been using has really helped my ends. Like I said, I'm just trying to figure out how to get my roots to stay as curly as well. Okay, y'all, right here. Your girl got so hyped. Do not play with me. Don't play with your girl, honey. The curls was curling. Baby, when we go slide. I had a little moment there, y'all, when I was doing my hair that day. You know, you just gotta vibe with yourself sometimes. Just vibe. Just vibe out. Enjoy yourself. You know I be enjoying myself when I do my hair, you know. When you love yourself, you gotta love your hair too, boo. Alright, so for the remaining of the video, I feel like I'm done doing the voiceovers. Your girl is not with the voiceovers at all, but I had to do it. But I feel like I'm just gonna let it play out so you guys can see what's going on, because you know it's the same thing over and over again. Alright guys, excuse any background noise that you hear. My family has loud music going on and also a loud TV in the living room going on. But what I want to let you guys know is what I'm about to do is go sit and let this dry. I might not let it dry up under like a hooded dryer. I think what I'm gonna do is just let it air dry like all day or whatever, and then I'll come back and I'll show y'all the finished product while it's dry and how I style my edges and how I style the back of it, because right now I'm not really worried about the back because I'm not really like in a rush. So what I'm gonna do is just let all this dry and I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I style it, and then that'll be the finished product. So just stay tuned for that, and I'll be back in just a second, okay? Probably like 5 hours for me, but probably like 2 seconds for y'all. But I'll be back. Y'all, your girl is back, honey. Your girl is back. Warning, if you hear any noises in the background, loud talking, just forgive me. My family will not give me any private time, okay? But I did want to get on this video and give you guys a closer look. I am about 65% dry. As a type 4 natural girl, my hair usually takes about 3 to 4 days to completely dry. So I said what I was going to do was just show you guys the process tonight, show you guys the process Tuesday and Wednesday. Tonight is Monday night. But what I'll do is show you guys that, and then because right now I really don't like how tight it is on my head. I love volume, so when I'm able to pick my hair out, I think I'll really love it more, and I'll show you guys that as well. But I do want to get on here and show you how I did the back of my hair. Well, I'm not really showing you, I'm just going to let you know how I did it. I took a sponge here. Okay, look, I got a lot of hair in this sponge, but that might be in, okay? You worry about you and don't worry about me, period. But but what I did was I went in circular motions in the back of my head all the way around to get the desired curl pattern that I wanted, to make it easy. I didn't want to finger curl the whole thing in the back. That was going to take too long. So I did that, and also what I did was I used the extreme the extreme gel, and I did a leave-in conditioner with the products in the back. So that's how you can do it. I will show you guys how that is in the back, but I did want to get on here and just close out this video for you all. I do want to thank you all for listening and tuning in to this video, because you didn't have to do it, but you know, you might want to, because your girl big lit over here, okay? We finna do big things on this channel, okay? Period. But go ahead. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for tuning in. I keep saying thank you. I can't help it. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Like I always say, if you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're liking what you're hearing, go ahead and share this video with your mom, your cousin, grandpa, all that, because your girl big litty over here. And if you just love your girl vibe and you love your girl personality, honey, and you love how transparent I am, baby, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And over to subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell, because you'll be notified each and every time your girl posts a video. All right, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!